Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can put Google Chrome into dark mode. I'm actually going to show you the light mode, the dark mode, and then the system-wide device mode. This is actually quite a useful thing to know about, so let's get started. Okay guys, so here we have Google Chrome. This is just standard out of the box Google Chrome, right? Basically it's in light mode. This is probably what you guys are going to be looking at right now. So with this in mind, basically this is going to be a video showing you how to enable light mode if you really want to. Maybe you're stuck on dark mode or something like that. Or how to activate the dark mode because maybe you're working late at night, it's dark in the room that you're working in, and the white is not going to be doing you any favors, right? This light theme is not going to help you out. I'm also going to show you though the device settings, which is actually a lot more I guess user-friendly across different devices that you may have. So the first thing we need to do then is actually navigate up to the top right-hand corner. We have the three dots, click on those, scroll down until we find settings, click on settings. That's going to load up all of the Google Chrome settings for your particular device here. Now I'm doing this on Windows, but it will be very similar to how you would find these settings on an iPad, for example. Okay, on the far left-hand side, we have appearance. We're going to click on that. And over here, there are there's actually several different options, but there's only really two things you really need to pay attention to. Okay, there's one called theme, which is theme colors, and then there's mode, which is the one that's currently set as light mode. Now, this is where things can get a little bit tricky, but do bear with me because themes can adjust the appearance of Google Chrome, but the mode also adjusts the theme settings, right? And so it's a slightly different approach, and you've got different methods. So if I click on themes here, you can see that it opens up this menu here. Now, this means that you can adjust the different theme of Google Chrome for each mode. Okay, so at the moment, this is light mode, and I could adjust the different settings based on what I want to have the highlighting look like, for example, on these menu options on the left-hand side, or the font colors that we see within the menus, or the little toggle buttons, right? That is what the theme is. The theme is like your overarching color scheme of Google Chrome, right? And you've got different ones depending on the different modes that you have. Okay, so it's one of those things where if you want to adjust the colors of the buttons and the highlights and things like that, then it's going to be the theme that you want. Okay. However, if you want to actually just adjust the mode, then that's from this menu just here. You have a drop-down menu. You could put it into dark mode or light mode, for example. Now, let's talk about device, because this is probably the one that is the most powerful and probably the most useful for you guys, right? Because you have light mode and you have dark mode. They're pretty self-explanatory, right? But the device mode actually follows the theme that you've set on your device. For example, I'm on a Windows 11 machine right now, and I have my machine set to dark mode. So I want Google Chrome to follow the machine's settings. Therefore, I put it to device setting, right? That mode means that it's going to follow whatever device or the device mode that I have. So if my Windows 11 goes into light theme, then Google Chrome's automatically going to filter that into light theme. It means that it stays consistent across the different applications that I'm using. But it also works like this as well, because I have an iPad. iPad also has Google Chrome. So if I want to follow the device theme, then it will follow the device settings of the iPad as well. So if I'm on my iPad, I load up Google Chrome and my iPad is in light theme, which it is, then it's going to basically put Google Chrome into light theme automatically on that device. But from Windows 11, I have my Windows 11 computer in dark theme. So when I load up Google Chrome here, it follows the device's settings, which are dark mode. This means that I don't have to worry about setting light mode or dark mode on each individual device. I can let the device basically dictate what mode I have Google Chrome in. So this one's really useful. It's a little bit complicated, I guess, to explain. But basically, rather than setting light mode or dark mode, I set device mode, and then I use the device, Windows 11 laptop or PC or iPad, iPhone, Android device, to dictate to Google Chrome what theme it should use. That way I can control all multiple apps, all from the device itself, rather than going into each individual application and trying to adjust their themes. Hopefully that makes sense, but this is the one that I use. I find it the most powerful and the most useful overall. And guys, just like that, it is as easy as that to essentially set up light theme, dark theme, or modes I should say, or even just follow your device settings on your local device, iPad, iPhone, Windows 11, whatever it may be. Now, if this has been helpful, useful to you guys, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.